Hello, in this video, I will show you how you can create your own Azure vWan on Brainboard. So let's get started. The first thing I need to do is to create it from scratch. Then I will choose Azure as my cloud provider. As the first resource, I will use a region. Then I will configure it. So here will be location 2, East US. Then I will make it bigger to include a resource group. I will configure it as well. So the resource group resource name will be this one, and the region is East US, and the name is this one. Advanced configuration, we don't need the tags, so here we are good to go. I will make it bigger, and then I will modify the name. So here will be RG1. And then I will look for virtual network. And I will include it in the resource group and in the location. Now I will configure it. So here will be region 1. This one. Address space would be variable, so I will need to create it. VNet1 as a name. And here I look for advanced configuration. We're good to go here. So this one, I will say it's a VNet. We'll modify the shape of it, so it will be like that. And then I will create my variable. So here it will be the name is here, the scope will be architecture, the type will be a string, the default will be 10.0.16. Then I need another one, it will be region 2. Here the type will be string, the default will be this one. Okay, and then another one, prefix string, default 16, and the last one will be architecture string, default. So now I will go back to this, and I will say that the address space is actually this one. Perfect. Now I will need a firewall policy. Is this one. In the resource group, I'm going to configure it. So here will be Paul, the name, good. Advanced configuration, we look at them. We don't need the tags for this one. Yeah. Then I need this resource. So it will be here. Good. Now I will configure it so it will be the region policy. This one, firewall policy ID. Here, the name will be here. The priority will be 100. Advanced configuration, we look at them. Okay, so now I need network rule collection. Yes. So here will be allow, then the name will be network rules 1, the priority will be 100, the rule name will be network protocols will be TCP, UDP, and ICMP. Source address will be here. Destination address would be this one. Destination port will be this one. And here we're good to go. So now I need a VPN gateway connection. Is this one. So here, resource name. Good. The name of this site, remote. Here, VPN gateway is this one. Local Azure. Enable, the name will be link 1. The VPN site here. And we're good to go. Good. Here will be VPN site. This one. So now I need to configure it. So here will be resource name S3, the name of this site 1, virtual is here, advanced configuration, the address header is this one, and I look for the link here. IP address is here, the name is office link 1, speed 20, and here we go. Then here I need a virtual ones, is this one. Then I need to configure it, so it's vWan here. The name is here. Advanced configuration here is optimize and allow. And we're good to go. So now I need to create, so between the VPN connection is remote. So here I need remote. So it's this one and here. Good. And between this one and this one is virtual. Okay. So this one I will make it bigger. This one as well. Here will be like that. Here will be like that. So it's good. So now I need a virtual hub. In the resource group, then I will configure it. So virtual hub, the region here is to S. The name will be one like that. Advanced configuration address prefix is good. Virtual WAN ID is this one, and we're good to go. So I will make it smaller. So just remember that everything that you are doing on your diagram will be automatically reflected on your code, as you can see. So I can hide it. This one I can make it like that. So I need to make these resources bigger. Here I will make it smaller. And this one you can actually modify it. It's here. Then now I need VPN Gateway. So it's going to be this one. I included in the virtual hub. I configure it so here will be like that. The name will be here. Resource group name already been prefilled. Virtual ID as well. Advanced configuration. We're good to go here. So yeah, and here I need a VPN. So here will be VPN Gateway. So between this one and this one will be VPN Gateway ID. So perfect. It's good. So this one virtual. So I configure it so the resource name is here. The name is P2S 1, scale unit 1, VPN server configuration ID. Okay, so connection, the name here will be P2S 1. Address prefix, now we need to look for address prefix, is this one. Okay. So now I need a VPN server configuration. So here will be resource name region, is the name will be P2S. This one here will be AAD. So here advanced configuration we don't need them. The audience will be here. The issuer will be here. The team, the tenant will be here. And here we're good. So just remember that everything that you are doing on your diagram will be automatically reflected on your code. So here I can actually create a connector between these two resources. Good. So here will be express route gateway. Resource name, this one is US. The name will be here. Gateway, Azure scale unit 1. Virtual ID already been pre-filled. Advanced configuration. We don't need the tags here, so we can take them out. And we're good to go. Okay, so now I need to create a virtual hub connection. Resource name here. The name is this one. Remote virtual network ID is here. Virtual ID here. Advanced configuration. We're good to go. And good. So now we can actually create, so I'll go back to the design. Now I need to drag and drop another location. So is this one. So here will be location like that, East US, West US. So here, West US. Okay. So here, good. So now I need another resource group in here. Another resource group, I will configure it so it will be region 2 here, region 2 like that. Advanced configuration, we don't need the tags, and we're good. So this one I will make it bigger. I will modify the name, it will be LG2. Then here we have virtual hub. Resource group. So the resource name will be this one, West US, good. The name here, oh, resource group, okay. Advanced configuration, we have address prefix. Good, thanks. Virtual WAN ID. It's good. So now we're good to go. So this one, I will actually yes, I need to modify the shape of it. So here will be and here will be like that. And here will be here. Let's see, I need just a little bit. Yeah, So I have this one. I can make it smaller. Then we have virtual hub connection. Virtual hub connection, I will drag and drop it in virtual hub. Then I will configure it so here will be region 2 connection. The name will be here, remote network, advanced configuration. We're good to go. So this one I will include it here, and this one I will make it smaller. And this one I will make it like that. This one here. Okay. This one will be a VNet, so a virtual network. I will include it in the resource group 2. I will configure it, so here the resource name will be this one. So it's not a variable, so it's good. Here will be it's good. WestUS, here will be VNet 2. Advanced configuration. We can leave the tags. Okay. So this one, of course, I will make it different. So this one, I would like to make it bigger, and this one as well. So here. Okay. And here, I will make it bigger. Like that, perfect. And here, so I have remote perfect. And here I will so it's VNet. Here is V no V hub 2, and here is V hub 1, and this so actually I showed you how you can create this new architecture, how you could get the code at the same time, how you could create your own variables. Then one thing that I particularly like about it is that I can create also versioning, so different versions. So here, for example, will be initial commit. Then I add, for example, let's say an express route gateway, so gateway. So for example, another gateway in the VNet. Of course, we can configure it. Here, I can create a new version is added resource. Then, for example, I can delete. So the VNet 2, I can delete it. And here I create a new version. I say deleted VNet 2. And then here you can actually see the different versions. So if you want to go to initial commit, then you have it here. If you want to go to added resource, then you have it here. And if you want to go to deleted VNet, you have it here. Then I can actually clone this architecture. So for example, I'm going to do this. I'm going to clone the architecture. Let's say I want it in use case this one. Azure vWan, okay. Keep sync. Next. We can close. As you can see, it's here. So I can close it. Here you can actually see use cases 1 and 2. And imagine that, for example, I want to add the VNet again. So for example, virtual network. Add it here. So I simply need now to go to the other one. And you can see that it has already been synced. And then I can create it. I can create a template. So for example, I can create a template here. I create the template back organization or public, let's say organization. Next, here I will say new use case Azure. Next, close. So now, for example, I open this one, new architecture, I do templates, I go there, I have it here. The diagram is there and the code as well. So I hope this video has been useful for you. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. I will be happy to help you. Have a good day.